Morning. So we're at the bottom of the Black Cloughs on the northern side of Bleaklow, joined today by Simon.
Hello.
We've got secret weapons with us today, Wellington boots, and we will be crossing this ford and going up Far Black Clough later on, but first we're going to see if we can get to the waterfall, not the middle Black Clough waterfall, which we've already gone to, but the waterfall on near Black Clough. So we'll give that a go first and then backtrack to here. Whoops, almost. Okay, so we've made it to the point where middle Black Clough and near Black Clough join together. Just crossed over. So this is near Black Clough. This is the waterfall we want to check out, is along here. So hopefully things will be a little bit easier for the next bit. So we're just going up near Black Clough now, which is this. We are going to have to cross over probably a few times, I would have thought. Cross back and forth just to find the easiest way. So near Black Clough, especially in the mist, is really quite magical. But I've never explored this bottom section before. It's a bit too steep to get down from the side of the clough. So we've had to come this way from the bottom, following the brook itself. Look at this. I mean, even if we did nothing else today, what we've seen so far has made the trip worthwhile. So we made it. This is near Black Clough's big waterfall, and it's pretty impressive. It wasn't the easiest getting here, especially wearing wellies, but it's well worth it. And this isn't really showing the scale. That rock on the top is just absolutely huge. So we're making our way back now. It's going to be some tricky bits. Just had lunch at this spot here. It's near the bottom of near Black Clough. It's quite a nice spot. So there's not much further to go until we get to the bottom of all three Black Cloughs. We're going to try a different route back. There is a path here. I'm not sure where that goes, but hopefully it'll be quicker and easier. Okay, so we took that trail, and then we decided to come off that trail and just come straight up the side of the clough. And now we're on the actual Near Black Clough path, which is on the top side of the clough. Those are the first people we've seen since we left the car park this morning. So we're now back at the bottom of the Black Cloughs. Directly in front, that's Far Black Clough. And we will now take the path on the other side of it, which is a proper track. When I was planning this walk, initially I thought we would just go up Far Black Clough. And then I decided to add in visiting the waterfall on Near Black Clough. It's just like an additional little bit. Well, the additional little bit has taken us 4 hours. At this point, we're at the bottom of the Black Cloughs. This is where all the Black Cloughs have converged together. There are a few people around here. So yeah, we're just going to wade through, and then we can get our wellies off and get into our walking boots. We're just going to leave our wellies hidden away somewhere. Now changed into the walking boots. The wellies, both pairs of wellies are hidden there. Hopefully they'll be there when we come back. Straight ahead, that's where we've just been. That's Near Black Clough. Middle Black Clough is up that way. And here is where we're following today. This is Far Black Clough. So that's looking down into Far Black Clough. That's Near Black Clough where we were this morning. Another walk with an unexpected vehicle in the middle of nowhere. This is where the track splits. You can go up this side. Looks quite boggy. There are some grouse butts, which is what this track is for. It's an access path for the grouse butts. Or there's a bridge, and then you can go up, and then the path follows on this side, the other side. They do eventually join together, meet together at the top of the clough, and that's where the tracks end. They just pretty much come to an end in the middle of nowhere. So, although it's very foggy, it's really atmospheric. The grouse butt is clearly still in use. It's in very good condition. It's recently been creosoted. Just crossed back over the ford. Only about 5 minutes walk to the car now.